Hello my friends, and welcome back to another unboxing, show and tell, and test video. This is a sewer slash drain pipeline camera, and you guys can use this for obviously all the things I mentioned and then more. So let's go ahead and unbox this and show you guys what you actually get. First of all, I just want to point out the fact, check this out, it comes in such a nice compact case. That is awesome. You know, I can't stand the ones that come in these overly bulky cases or not even a case at all. So, open this up. Oh my god. So professional. Look at this. Look at the built-in screen and everything. Now, we're going to show you guys this up close in a moment. Go over some more details. Attention, please. So, a little card in there. You get your little manual inside here. Protective foam piece. Accessories inside here. And the camera line itself, and looks like maybe a power adapter in there. And a nice box. So we're going to go ahead, set this up, and show you guys how that works. By the way, guys, this is the charger. So it is wireless, but they do recommend you charge it up before you use it. You then have your on and off button. So make sure let's see. You might have to have it turned on while it's charging. Let's see. When you go ahead and you plug the charger in for the first time here, nothing lights up with it. So if we press the on button, it may just need to be, well, hold on. Let's turn this off here. Oh, it might be charging. It might just not be an indicator because yeah, okay. So when you plug it in the charger, it is actually charging even though it's not showing any indicator light. But on the actual power plug, which we'll show you guys here, it is actually showing an indicator. So guys, on the power plug, it is reddish orange. It will be green when it's charged. So if we pull this out here, you guys will see that it turns green. So you do know it is charging when you plug it in. So while it's charging, you got your power for probably the screen and some other stuff. You got zoom, photo, menu, play, record, on, off, charging, TF slot, which they give you a TF card. And this one is 16 gigabyte TF card. You guys can add your own. And then we're going to connect the yellow cable line. That's going to get plugged in right here. We also have different ends. One has a magnet, and other ends, one has a little hook. So if you need to grab stuff, or let's say you drop a ring or something down in, as long as it's metal. But looks like they give you a little screwdriver, some accessories in here as well. Looks like extension end as well. So we're going to go ahead and plug that in. Obviously, they give you the camera as well, which is this. So let's show you guys how that works. So this end is going to get threaded right in here. So just like that. The other end gets connected right in there. So just like that. The camera gets connected right in here. So you're going to put that right in there. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead, power this on. We can see our charge is now up. We can see the camera is lit up here as well. So there we go. Now you guys see the screen. So you guys can adjust it. You can flip it. You can change it however you want. Quality looks pretty decent for being a line camera. You got play. So let's see. We can go under and see different videos and different things already. So we can play and show. You got record, you got menu, so you got time, playback function, display settings. Oh, let's see, display settings here. So we still got to actually figure this out, how it all works. All right, so that just turns the screen on and off. So yeah, there's a little bit of stuff to go over. Oh, there we go. So we're learning it. You'll just want to learn it, my friends. Okay, brightness and all that. Video menu, play. Okay, watermark, okay. So yeah, there's just a lot of stuff you guys can do and play with. So let's go back. Okay. Yeah, so the next step is to actually test this out.